My name is Durga. I am studying in Ananya school. I am 16-year-old. I like to study more and more. I like cricket, table tennis, badminton, etc. I like in subject. I like maths, home science, English. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gwenraj. I am 14 years old. My favorite game is cricket. I am studying in Ananya. I like to study. I want to finish my 10th exam.
Hi, I'm Murli. I'm studying in Ananya. I'm 15 years old. I'm staying in Bangalore. I like to play cricket, football, soccer, volleyball, etc. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Pallavi. I'm 17 years old. I'm studying in Ananya. I like to ride cycle, horse. My favorite games are football, throw ball, and I like to swim. My aim is to learn many things. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Priya. I am 14 years old. I like to play football and cricket. My favorite color is green. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Sharad. I'm studying in Ananya. I'm 15 years old. I'm in 10th standard. I live in Bangalore. My favorite food is dosa, and my favorite color is blue. My favorite games are cricket, football, volleyball, badminton, and throwball. And I also like to do gymnastics, and I know drawing. And thank you.
My name is Shiva Shankar. My favorite subject is math. I'm studying in Ananya. I'm 10th standard. My favorite color is yellow and blue. My favorite food is mulake and idli. I love to play volleyball.
Hi friends, my name is Sri Lakshmi. I am 15 years old. I am studying in Ananya. I like to study. My hobbies are playing, singing, dancing. I like to play football, cricket, badminton. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Alaka. I'm 15 years old. I'm studying in Ananya school and I am 10th standard student in our school. I like to play cricket, soccer and all the active games. Bye friends, see you.